Well, we've arrived and this trip is to Benidorm. Yay, sunny Benidorm. Actually, it's quite cold out really, but apparently it was 26 yesterday and we're warming up, so hopefully it'll be nice and sunny. Didn't do too much filming in the airport really. Apparently it's 5 o'clock somewhere, so it's now 5:15 Bristol Airport. Is it too early for a pint? Who knows? It did have to taste different, that's for sure. It was packed. It was like summer. Bristol Airport was absolutely chock-a-block. Got on an EasyJet straight here. Got on a transferred coach, which was dead easy. It took about more or less than an hour really from the airport to the hotel, which is right on the beach. Very lucky. I'm not lucky, I paid for it. But yeah, it's right on the beach. So now I'm just gonna have a quick mooch around for some food because I'm starving now. I was up at 4, got a headache. So I just got some water as well, some ibuprofen, and then gonna get some food and I'll probably feel a lot better then. But right, let's get on with it. Benidorm, here we come. Yeehaw! Let me do a quick room tour. So I'll do it from back to front, I think. So that's the window, balcony. I think there's a balcony anyway. Yes, there's a balcony. Sofa. Got a sofa there. Bed's over there. Pretty big. I'd say it's a 50-inch LG TV. Nice. Plug sockets there. A little stool thing there. Lights. Bed. Side cabinets. Responsible stay, whatever that means. Got a little fridge with a couple of complimentary waters, tea and coffee and tea. Wardrobe. I know, it's amazing, it's got a wardrobe. Yeah, wardrobe, plenty of room. Like a little passageway, some coat hooks for my coat. The compulsory loo. That's the front door and a nice big mirror. Got like a little sink unit, big mirror, some vanity kits, dental and shaving, which is quite a nice touch. Just there. And then for the shower. Oh, door goes the opposite way, that's annoying. Nice shower head, shower gels, conditioner, obviously from the hair. And then, yeah, that's it, that's the room tour. And the hotel is, where are we? Barceló Hotels and Resorts. It's very nice. It's right on. I did ask for a sea view, but he said it'd cost you more money. I said no, thank you very much. And that was it. So that's the room tour. Hotel Barceló. That's it. Yeah, very nice too. Went for the chicken and chips, salad, and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, I'm going to tuck into this now. Why not? Coffee with a view. Real nice view from the hotel, like garden patio thing. I'll just turn the camera now. Not too shabby at all, that view. Good views. Plan is to have a snooze. I bought some water, bought some drinks, have a snooze, and then get back out and get some food. The food was a bit crap, to be honest. What I've had chicken and chips is a bit rubbish, a bit dry. Right, let's see what tonight brings. Well, it's been a quiet afternoon. I'm gonna have a good snooze, so I'm going out for a couple of pints and maybe something to eat. I'm not particularly hungry at the minute, but if I have a wander around and up in Old Town and see what it's about, but I'm going to save my energy for tomorrow because I've got a big hike tomorrow up to the big cross, which is quite away from here, so a good 7-mile round trip, so that'll be a good, and it's uphill. All right, on the way back down it's downhill, but yeah, it's been a good first day. Quite quiet. I've just chilled, coffee, pretty much landed, got here, coffee, something to eat. The food was pretty poor, to be honest. It wasn't very good. Very, very dry chicken. Chips were dry. Salad was tons of salad. It was all salad really. But yeah, so hopefully I'll maybe go for a sandwich tonight. Maybe go for a sandwich, no chips. Or paella. There you go, paella. Paella in Spain, obviously. Right, let's get going and see what the night has to offer. Hopefully not too crazy. That's not too shabby. Right outside the hotel. But the service is fucking shocking. So I'm going to go, they've lost a customer in the bar, so I'm going to go somewhere else. Up into Old Town, I think. And see what's right out there and have a wander. Get a few beers up there, I think. Let's go and have a look, see what's happening. Really not sure what I'm going to go for, but I could go for that. Steak. Why not? That's tapa sali done. Bloody nice that as well. Actually quite busy. But yeah, that was a good bit of steak and some veg. I wasn't hungry at the beginning, then I was starving, so yeah, good stuff. Can't remember the name of the hotel, put it down below. At the hotel. The restaurant, it was gorgeous. 10 out of 10. And good service. Well, I'm going to wander back to the hotel through the old streets of Old Town in Benidorm. I'm going to get a nice Jameson's and Coke now, I think, to finish the night off. It's bloody lovely. Lovely evening. It's not cold. It's actually quite sort of in, I don't know, like 12, 14, something like that. It's actually quite nice. And we're heading towards the beach, which is, look at that. That's a good view, that. Hang on, I shall turn it around. That is a good view. Yep, pretty good view of Benidorm. Right, let's get in for me last drink of the night. And then bed for my big hike tomorrow. Right, let's do it. Let's end the day with this great big bad boy. Strong. That's for Jameson and Coke. They don't do Jameson's, but they just absolutely mullered the glass with whatever this is, and a Coke. It just, oh my god, it is so strong. It's coming out my nose. Oh my god.